Hello, my name is Margot Smith, and I'm the Academic Instructional Coach at Echo Trail Middle School in Louisville, Kentucky. Welcome to our video highlighting the fourth recommendation from the Works Clearinghouse Practice Guide Assisting Students Struggling with Mathematics, Intervention in the Elementary Grades. This recommendation centers on the use of number lines. Number lines are versatile tools that play a crucial role in facilitating the learning of mathematical concepts and procedures. According to the practice guide, they help build understanding of grade-level material and prepare students for advanced mathematics. Number lines can be used in so many ways, including understanding magnitude, operations for whole numbers and fractions, elapsed time problems, graphing coordinates, and displaying and analyzing data. Vertical number lines find application in teaching temperature, reading thermometers, and when paired with the horizontal number line, forming coordinate grids. Proficient mathematics students often construct a mental number line automatically during problem solving. Consistent use of number lines during intervention helps students who are struggling to gradually develop the ability to visualize number lines. This practice also lays the foundation for advanced work in middle and high school mathematics, particularly when students engage with negative numbers and solve linear inequalities through the aid of number lines. Watch this video clip to see how a teacher encourages her students to visualize a number line before solving the problem.
Right now, get in your brain, just close your eyes and visualize a number line. If we were going to label these to find the nearest 100, who can tell me the 2 hundreds that need to go on my number line? What goes at the beginning? What goes at the end?
What did you say?
I'll repeat it. If I was going to label these numbers on a number line, what 100 would come at the beginning of my number line and what would come at the end? Right now, I want you to draw that number line you visualize and keep it hidden. Ready? Go.
Our first how-to for using number lines involves representing whole numbers, fractions, and decimals on a number line to bolster students' understanding of numerical magnitude. In this video clip, observe how a teacher uses a number line to represent the steps in a story problem.
So, yeah, let's try to represent what you just said in a picture, because I am a very visual learner and I know many of you are as well, okay? That we need to draw a representation, and I'm going to use a strategy you all are familiar with, that number line, right? So, how many beads are there to start? How many beads are there to start? Miracle? 212. So I'm going to put it kind of in the middle, right? 212. And then what is happening next in the problem? What is happening next, Sky? Right, and if they're used, what operation do you think we need to do? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division? Which one? Which one? Amaya, what do you think we need to do? Okay, what do you all think? She says we need to take away that 98. Agree or disagree? Tell me how you know.
Because she said she had 300 and she dumped some out of the bag.
So she had to use them, and Sky told me she used them to make a necklace, right? So we're going to take away our 98. And we don't quite know what that's going to be yet, right? We're not sure. But is the problem done?
No.
Who can tell me the next step? What's the next step going to be? Not right now, sweetheart. I know more friends know. I'll wait until I see my friends showing leadership. Brayden, what's going to be the next step from here? Explain to me in words, and I'm going to represent the thinking, okay? But we took our 212 beads that we started with, right? We took away our 98. We don't know what that's going to be yet, but then they're saying we still have one more step. What do we need to do next? In the bag. So now I have another question. If beads are being dumped into the bag, What is happening? Are we adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing? Raise your hand. No, I'm going to let you all turn in talking just very quickly, okay? All right, ready?
For early elementary grades, introducing concrete number lines through paths, board games, or clotheslines is essential. Teachers should teach the basic characteristics of number lines, emphasizing that each whole number is equidistant from the next whole number, and that whole numbers follow a predictable counting pattern. As students get older, teachers should use number lines to represent fractions. The practice guide offers abundant resources on using number lines, including a chart of key characteristics and example teacher progressions, a valuable and free resource we encourage you to utilize. The second how-to involves using number lines to teach the relative magnitude of numbers. In kindergarten through second grade, number lines can be used to compare the magnitude of whole numbers, while in grades 3 through 6, they can be instrumental in comparing the magnitude of fractions and decimals. The final how-to for using number lines focuses on building students' understanding of the concepts underlying operations. In the early grades, this entails teaching students to use number lines for addition and subtraction of whole numbers. And in the upper grades, it extends to illustrating addition and subtraction of fractions, as well as multiplication and division concepts. Watch this video to see how students in Miss Bryant's class use number lines to subtract whole numbers.
Partner. So tell me why you drew the line to here.
Well, I just lost the page.
How many are we taking away?
30.
Okay, so let's do this. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So that's one way, okay? But here's another way. Let's look at our number, 82, okay? If I had 8 tens and I take away 3 tens, how many tens am I going to have left? You see what he's doing? So he's drawing the tens. He decided to draw 8 tens, and then he's going to take away 3 tens. So draw 8 tens. Okay, and then take away 3 tens. That's correct. And then how many tens are left? 50. So that means we could draw this line down here to 52, because that's what it would be if we took away 3 tens. How many ones are we taking away?
We need to decompose.
Well, let's look at our ones first.
5.
How many ones? 5. 5 ones. So now, okay, we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to count each tick mark because we're taking away ones. So you can go ahead and solve it on here if you want to and see if you have the same answer that's on your number line.
Check out our next video where we explore the 5th recommendation from the What Works Clearinghouse practice guide, assisting students struggling with mathematics, intervention in the elementary grade.